How to make your audio sound distant in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So watch this video till the very end, follow the steps for that. So the steps that you need to follow to make your sound distant are: firstly, reduce the volume. Select the video, anything that you have, and then reduce the volume firstly. So after that, lower the volume as well. Go to the effect controls panel, adjust the volume directly in the timeline by dragging the horizontal line, that is audio level down. Now lowering the voice can help to create that perception of distance as well. So after that, you can add the reverb. Like adding reverb simulates the effect of sound bouncing off distant surfaces, so which is a key characteristic of distant audio. So apply the reverb effect and adjust the reverb effect settings with your choice, like larger, decay time, mix, whatever is written here. Follow the steps here. The step third is reduce the high frequencies, because the distant voice does not have high frequencies. You should reduce it by going to the apply an equalizer effect. Go to the effect panel and search for parametric equalizer. Drag the equalizer effect onto the audio clip. Now adjust the equalizer in the effect controls. Reduce the higher frequency bands like 4K, kilohertz, 8 kilohertz, and 16 kilohertz to make the sound more muffled and distant. You can boost the lower frequencies slight to emphasize the effect as well. Now add the low pass filter. That is very optional, but it will help you a lot. A low pass filter allows only low frequencies to pass through, further enhancing and distant sound by effect by removing the high frequencies. Apply the low pass filter. Go to the effects for that panel and search for the low pass. Tag the low pass effect onto the audio clip, and then you are done. Adjust the cutoff frequency as well. Now the step 5 is to add echo, because distant feature is also echo. You can choose it because it helps you, but it is totally optional as well. Apply the echo effect by going to the effect option from the panel, search echo. Now drag the echo effect to your audio clip. Adjust the echo settings like echo time, echo amount as well. Now fine tune and preview. Mix with other audios, and then you are done. By following these steps, you can effectively make your audio sound distant in Adobe Premiere Pro, creating the illusion of a space and distance in your project. So this is what you can do. I hope you liked the video and it helped you. So if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.